Yeah, very good afternoon to you guys. We are here today on Kleine Scheldegg, Jungfrau, top of Europe. It's over 6,000 feet high. The day is getting better now. Earlier I couldn't see anything. Otherwise, see the train coming over there? I had a plan to go up over there on the mountain. That is the Kleine Scheldegg station, train station. I'll give you small information about how to get here. If you have a Swiss pass, that is a Swiss pass is cover unlimited journeys, as many in Switzerland. But some peaks they don't cover, like this one. So I bought a pass for 6 days. 335 pounds, and on the top to come here I paid another 31 pounds. So that's how it works. And if you want to go on the top over there, I think it's going to cost you more, another 20 to 30 pounds. But if you don't have a pass, mind you, I took a train from Lauterbrunnen. I think it was 104 pounds. I asked someone earlier, how can I get by walk from here to Wengen, which is my next stop. They said if I follow
open. You want to try? You can do it. Okay.
Alina, do you like this one?
see this board, Wengen, and there is the arrow sign, and beneath that is saying number 36. Just follow the route of 36 this way. But I realized that it's a fog. I'm not aware of this route, and we're not going to see anything. So what's the point? So I've decided this. Let's take a train and head toward Wengen. That's the hotel there. If you come here and one hotel is there. If you're a fan of skiing, and there are some a couple of coffee places. Let's get this way. A restaurant. Normally at this time, it's snowing here. That's what I've been told. But unfortunately, or fortunately, it's no snow now. Be honest, I came here for snow reason. Let's ask this girl, how much is this? Excuse me?
Yeah.
How much is go to on the top from here? With Swiss pass.
100.
Swiss pass. With Swiss.
I don't know exactly. You have to see at the ticket machine around the corner.
And how many 1,000 feet high over there? How many more feet high? This one is 6,000 feet.
Yeah, I don't know in feet.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
No problem.
But there's a cart.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you. 104 euro. More. My God. That is some money, isn't it? Okay, this is the train station, and I think this is my train as well. And the last train goes from here, 4:30. See, earlier in the beginning of the video you could see a peak from this side, but now fog. So guys, I'm gonna finish this video here, and let's go to Wengen before delaying anymore, and enjoy the rest. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.